butter my biscuits. What monster could have done such a thing?
Looks like this one was killed due to blunt trauma applied to head. And her sister over there seems to have been minced like tender piece of steak.
So what shall we do?
We will call the Great Detective Rogers.
Like, did someone call my name?
Detective Rogers!
That's Shaggy to you, man.
Well, Raggy.
Don't worry, guys. I'll find the killer for this crime.
Well, we'll find the Riddler.
And we'll give him his punishment. Like Zoink Scoob. I have no idea how we're gonna find this guy. I just wanted to look cool in front of those cops.
Oh.
Hey man, you alright? Well, Scoob, I think I know who's our killer. And I might have a plan to catch him.
Excuse me, workman. Where's the blood?
What blood?
The big juicy pool of blood that came out of the two women that someone killed.
It's you! Like only the killer would ask such a freaky question. So what's it gonna be, man? You gonna confess your guilt?
Well, we're gonna confess.
Looks like you found my secret. And that means I can't leave you here.
Without asking to take me to prison.
Like, what? You're not gonna run away or chase us? They usually chase us, you know.
Nope, just take me to police.
Wow. Detective Rogers, you caught the killer. I have to ask, how you do it?
Oh, well, I just read the book Crime and Punishment.
Well, the Rook had it all.
I have no clue what you two talk about, but okay.
By the way, I think this calls for celebration. Here, have some Scooby snacks.
Ruby Rex.
Oh, thank you. This is delicious. What is this?
Like, it's dog food.
Dog food! You dirty son of a...